fajita pan. And look what it's doing. It's frying some French fries. So don't say it can't be done, because it can be done. Second batch is already on. First batch is already cooked. So, without making this video too daggone long, got one thing you gotta do now. You gotta be careful. This is a shallow pan. That's a lot of cooking oil in there. You gotta be careful. That's why everything's sitting level. Because if you happen to have a mishap like this, let's see if I can do it. Yeah, so you end up with something like that. And that's what you don't want to do. So be careful when you try this technique. Because you're not a man-land like I am. Alright, last clip on these here French fries. I promise y'all that. But I want to sit there and say, these charcoals, and that's Kingsford charcoal. Kingsford charcoal, by the way. Man, when it comes fresh out your, your chimney charcoal starter, they good and hot. That is the perfect temperature to do a light fry like this right here. It is, and it won't burn. It won't burn unless you put the oil in the charcoal. Yeah. And then what's cool is the charcoal is going to start cooling off. I got to cook some bacon next. Yeah, bacon's going to be next, and then we're going to cook burgers. Well, we could actually cook them on the grill top too, but I'm going to cook them in the fajita pan. Yeah, I said what I was going to do. I sure it is. So let's see how these right here turn out. I'm going to let these cook a little bit longer. Because the first batch was for Wee Wee. She likes them soft. I like mine crunchy.
That's how you make them taste real good, by talking to them.
Yeah. Y'all fry. You fry, you pretty little French fries. Oh, you pre-season. Oh, this is special, baby.
That ain't frying, man. You got to stir around with
it. He needs some help. Let me give it tongs over here. I gotta have my thongs. Get him back in there, poor little fella. This one here is actually hotter than that one.
Little fella.
I tell you, they sure are looking good. The dinner's in the fajita pan.
Hey man, don't you remember? Covering it up makes it soggy.
Yeah, it makes it soggy. That's for Wee Wee, and to keep the bugs out.
Yeah, Wee Wee she be like doing this right here.
She be doing it a lot faster though. I bet she's doing it now. Oh, we got somebody in the way. Let's see if I can zoom in here.
Now she's rubbing the toes through the bear.
Yeah, watch. She gonna do it though. Watch.
There you go.
Alright, here's my idea. Since I got two more, and there's a little bit of oil in that because I'm, anyway, I decided I'm going to see if this will work. This is a smaller one. It works as a bacon press. Yeah. Hell, I mean, I've got them. I might as well use them, right? Bacon press. And they happen to sit in there pretty daggum good. But now I'm wondering, not worried, but wondering if the bacon is going to stick. Which, I shot a video before. The bacon did not stick. But will it stick to this part of the pan here that don't got no oil on it? At least not on the bottom side. But it ought to keep it straight bacon. Let's find out.
Coming down every Sunday the million's on. Except for today.
That boy be happy. I don't know, man. Man, he must be in that happy juice. Well, I've already lifted it up, but I'm sorry I didn't show it on camera first, but I wanted to prove to you it ain't gonna stick. Now this bacon here is ready to turn over, and I'm gonna flip this upside down, but you can see the bacon oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip these. Keeping it in the camera frame, hopefully. Let's see if these stuck. I feel a little stick. I do, but not too bad. Oh man. Oh man. But it ain't it ain't really stuck. But this is what I've been telling y'all. If y'all ever pay attention, see that brown stuff in there? That stuff sticks to your damn cast iron. Y'all know why? Because they put down sugar in your damn bacon.
Yeah.
That's that bacon residue and it sticks to your damn cast iron. And all the cast iron experts say, cook bacon in it if you want a good non-stick surface. That is bullshit.
Hey, if it makes it taste great, I love bacon.
Yeah.
They can put all the sugar and molasses in, they won't take it.
It's good stuff. But you gotta know how to cook in your cast iron. I gotta put my bacon press back on.
Look like you gotta put the egg on.
Yeah. Hey, I don't cook no eggs yet. We're cooking cheeseburgers.
Uh-oh.
This one over here is not quite as hot. Mmm.
That's because of the lack of coals on the top side.
I think my coals are getting cool.
It's gonna be done on the bottom end.
Oh man,
yeah.
man.
Oh. Bacon!
It had me fooled.
Oh. I know to be quiet on the set, but they're dumb. I love me some bacon.
Look at little piggy tail, man. Little piggy tail want to curl there. And yeah, Bones, you probably can grab that
That's
handle.
hot. It's A1. That's A1.
That's A1 good.
A1 hot. Yeah, that is hot.
Usually, when you're cooking on a coal stove, you still grab that handle without all that.
Oh.
Weight her back down. All right, done with the bacon. I got some more to cook, but there's your preliminaries. We got them beef patties on there. Seasoned with powdered ranch dressing. Yeah, the knockoff brand. But there you go. In the fajita pan. Them coals getting mighty dadgum low, but it ought to be like the so-called perfect temperature to cook them. And I'm thinking I'm gonna put these pans back on top to help retain the heat, but I might try to actually reverse them. Let's see how this works. I know I'm gonna do this with the cheese. So I'm gonna, they make daggum good covers too. Enough space in there, the perfect space. Yeah. See all that good bacon grease on the bottom side, man. That's what helps season the cast iron skillet. Yeah. But so far, no sticking worth notable. So that's good news. But we're finna find out when we try to flip them burgers. I got 2 burgers left with the cheese on top. The coals are just about, you know, where you can't cook with 2 pans on there. So the other ones I got over here on the cooking with unleaded gasoline. Gotta finish them off, and they're frying like a puppy, man. So it's time to add the cheese to them two. Get ready to chow down. Oh yeah, got them covered up now with the pan melting that cheese is. Oh, I think it's gonna be delish. At least I hope it will be. Oh, and by the way, the meal was deadgum delicious. Everybody was hungry, ready to eat, so I didn't have time to do no video reveal of the taste test. I'm sorry, Dark Matter, sometimes it just be happening that way, man. You know, I wish y'all could be here in person to see this stuff and taste it for yourselves, but no. So I have to eat it myself.